Visit licensureexams.com and try our samples completely free of charge.
Time truly is like an ever-rolling stream, and like any boater knows, either you control it or it controls you. The closer your exam time comes, the more you become aware that your ability to manage your time is key to your success. First is awareness of priorities, and that means looking at where you spend your time. Your job, your family, eating, sleeping, recreation, and studying are all important and need to fit in, but maybe in a shorter time frame. Awareness also involves recognizing that your study time for this exam is a high priority, but not a forever priority. Studying can displace some lower priority things just now because you know you won't be doing it forever. Then, you need to make choices of how to fit it all in, which will become more and more apparent the more you pay attention. Does that mean that this will be an easy process? No, but it does mean that it is doable. The greater intentionality you devote to your excursion down the river of time, the more you will find success and even enjoyment. It's in there.